Daw, katun, ay, okay. Ay, madam, namain na po siya ni Madam Jo Bengkol. Stars ang code nun, madam, kanina. Daw, this one, for only 36 medium. Best fit 2 medium. Ang cute nito, daw. Wait lang. Ay, sayang. Daw, for only free na lang to, daw. Tahiin nyo lang. Down for free, up to medium for free. My suerte. My suerte, up to medium for free. My suerte. Need lang po tahiin ang lining, madam. Next time, madam.
My suerte for free. Down this one, medium. Medium, madam, for 36 pesos. Mayan, social. My social, madam, up to medium 36. My social, up to medium 36. My social. Next, madam.
My social. Dam, comment niyo po yung code, madam, para hindi po kayo mahuli. Madam Mylene, yours is suerte for free. Please screenshot, Madam Mylene. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next time, madam, for only 36. Dam, this one, up to semi-large. Up to semi-large, 36 pesos. Mayan. Puno. Mine puno, up to semi-large, for only 36. Mine puno, up to semi-large, 36 pesos. Mine puno, medium to semi-large. Dam, ang ganda nito, dam. Puno, for only 36. Next naman.
Mine puno, madam. Janet Pelebo, yours na si social. Please ka screenshot. 1 to 3, second minor, Madam Cheryl. Now this one, best patchy small. Best patchy small, mine cable. Mine cable, small, Madam, 36 pesos. Mine cable, up to small, for 36. Mine cable. Next, Madam.
Mine cable. Next to madam, for only 36. Down semi-large. Up to semi-large, 36 pesos. Mine screening. Mine screening, ang ganda nito, dam. Best fit to semi-large. For only 36 pesos. Mine screening, up to semi-large, 36. Madam Shaina Ramirez, yours na si Puno, Madam Shaina. Please go screenshot down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Maya screening.
Next, madam. Down small, madam. Small, madam, for only 36 pesos. Mine domina. Mine domina, up to small, for only 36. Mine domina, small, madam, 36. Mine domina. Next, madam.
Maya domina. Adam, this one. Ay, ang cute. Extra small to small. Screening, Madam Eve Galerio. Yours is screening, Madam Eve. Please go screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, Madam, for only 36. Down, extra small to small. Mayan Chinese. Mine Chinese, extra small to small. For only 36 pesos. Mayan Chinese, extra small to small, 36. Chinese. Next time, madam.
My Chinese. Down this one, medium. Medium, madam, for only 36 pesos. Mayan aga. Mine aga, madam, up to medium for only 36. Mine aga, medium, madam, for only 36. Mayan aga. Next time, madam.
Mayan aga, for only 36 pesos. Down next time, madam. Wait lang daw. Madam, this one, for only 36. Uy, ang ganda nito na pagka-black. Quality ang tela, Chinese. Madam Cheryl, yours na si Chinese. Madam Cheryl. Wait lang daw, ha. Please ko screenshot, Madam Cheryl. Madam Cheryl, 20 na lang nina ko daw. Tahiunan lang gid gamay. Madam Cheryl, 20 lang nina ko daw, ha. Tahiunan lang gid siya gamay, madam. For only 36. Daw, please go screenshot, Madam Cheryl. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, madam, for only 36 pesos. Daw, this one, up to medium. Best fit to medium for only 36. Mine bigay. Mine bigay, up to medium. 36 pesos. 10/10 of pagka-black. Mine bigay, medium to semi-large, 36. Bigay, Next time, madam.
My bigay. That is one. Best fit is small. Best fit is small, 36 pesos. My and shoulder. My shoulder, small, madam, 36 pesos. My shoulder, small, 36 pesos. My shoulder. Next time, madam.
My shoulder for only 36 pesos. Dam this one. Dam this one, madam, na siya washable na hugaw. Dili na kayo siya maklaro, dam. For only 36. Ang ganda nito, dam. Dam, best fit to medium, 36 pesos. Mayan, bulakaw. Mine, bulakaw, up to medium, 36. Take it or leave it, madam. For only 36 pesos. Mayan, bulakaw, up to medium, 36 with washable na stain. Mayan, bulakaw, 36. Madam, wait lang, dam, ha. Dam, this one, baka meron kayong dalagita dam size 22 na skirt. Very cute to, madam. Mine tutu. Mine tutu. Pang dalagita size 22 ang waistline. Mine tutu. For only 36. Next na, madam.
Mine, tutu. Madam Emily Ruela, yours is shoulder. Please go screenshot. 1-3. Next, madam. Down this small blazer up to Sammy Med. Sammy Med, madam. Small to Sammy Med. My Cortina. My Cortina. Small to Sammy Med. 36 pesos. My Cortina. Small to Sammy Med. Next, madam.
Next na, madam. Madam Jonna Labajo. Yours is si Bulakaw. Please go screenshot, Madam Jonna. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next up, Madam. For only 36. Madam Roseli Lastima. Yours is si Tutu, Madam Roseli. Please go screenshot the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next up, Madam. For only 36. Dam, ang cute. Medium to semi-large. Dam, medium to semi-large. Malambot ang tela, 36. Mine announce. Mine announce, medium to semi-large, 36 pesos. Mine announce, medium to semi-large, 36. Announce, 36 pesos. Next one, madam.
Mine announce. Down this one small. Small, madam, 36 pesos. Mine. Mine TikTok. Mine TikTok. Small, madam, 36 pesos. Mine TikTok up to small for only 36. Mine TikTok up to small, 36. TikTok. Next one, madam.
Mine TikTok. Madam Marifel Tapere. Yours is the announce, Madam Marifel. Please go screenshot, Madam Marifel. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second minor, Madam Brightness Clear. Next time, Madam. Adam, wait lang, Dam. Dam, next time, Madam. For only 36 pesos. Wait lang, Dam. We done this one. Extra small to small. Very fit na siya sa akin, Madam. Extra small lang to, Dam. Dam, best fit to extra small for only 36. Mayan Sumpay. Mayan Sumpay, extra small, Madam, 36 pesos. Mayan Sumpay, extra small, Madam, for only 36. Sumpay, small, Madam, 36 pesos. Next naman.
Mine Sumpay. Madam, Mylene, yours is a TikTok. Please go screenshot. 1-3. Next, madam. Down this one, 36 pesos. Sammy Med. Sammy Med, madam. Mine Lightning. Mine Lightning. Sammy Med, 36 pesos. Mine Lightning. Sammy Med, 36 Lightning. Next, madam.
Maya Lightning. Uy, ang cute yung Lightning. Madam Emily Herwala. Yours is si Sumpay, Madam Emily. Please go screenshot, Madam Emily. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next na, Madam, 36. Dam, ang ganda. For only 36 pesos. Dam, up to semi-large. Dam, best fit to medium to semi-large. Dam, ang ganda nito, Dam, ha? Eyelet ang kanyang sleeves, tapos adjust ang kanyang center. For only 36. Wait lang, Madam. Saglit lang, Dam. Dam, ganyan siya, Madam. For only 36. Very nice to, Dam. Medium to semi-large. Mine adjust. Mine adjust, nakapalad lang kasi siya dam. Ayan, adjustable naman siya. Mine adjust, medium to semi-large for only 36. Mine adjust up to semi-large, 36 pesos. Dam pa-eyelet po ang kanyang sleeves. Hello, Madam Maribel. Madam Maribel, huwag yun din nakitaan nga pang baby, Madam. Next na, Madam. Mine adjust.
Mine adjust. Down this one, semi-med. Semi-med, madam, mine berry. Mine berry, semi-med, 36 pesos. Mine berry, semi-med, madam, 36 pesos. Mine berry. Next, madam.
Mayan Berry. Madam Cheryl, yours is the adjust, Madam Cheryl. Please go screenshot, Madam Cheryl. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next up, Madam, for only 36. Daw, ang cute ito daw. Pa-see-through lang yun siya, Madam. Down up to medium, pa-see-through for only 36. Mine order. Mine order up to medium for only 36. Mine order up to medium 36. Order. Yes, Madam Maribel. Na-mine na po si Tuto Dam. Skirt po yun, Madam. Next naman.
Mine order.
Mine order, 36 pesos. Madam Cheryl, yours is a berry, Madam Cheryl. Please go screenshot, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, Madam, for only 36. Mine order, for only 36 pesos. Madam, this one, for only 36. Dam, ang ganda. For only 36 pesos up to XL. Dam, best fit to XL for only 36. Uy, ang ganda nito, Dam. XL, Mine Airport. Mine Airport, XL to double XL for only 36 pesos. Mine Airport, up to double XL, 36. Hello, Madam Wang Zandy. Good morning, Madam. Location po natin, Madam, Talisay at Cebu City, Madam. We ship po nationwide, Madam, every day. Except Sundays na po, Madam, through JNT door-to-door. Payment first po tayo, Madam, sa items and SM.